Angibingelele bazalwane, ngiyanibingelela egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu. Ngibingelela bonke yonke indawo. Dokotela uKhehlelezi lo okhulumayo uArchbishop webandla isithelo sika Jehova. Ngizokhuluma nawe namhlanje ngizothi u2026 there is a reason you came across this video. Ngithunywe abakini. Ngithunywe isithunywa sakho esifike sakhuluma nami ebusuku lelo. Bathi abakini ngizokutshela ukuthi there is a blessing, there is something that needs to be blessed by myself uma uqeda kufakwa emanzini noma uma uqeda kudla isidlo senkosi ngoGood Friday. Join me ngomhla ka 3, 4, 5 April eThekwini eVerulam. Ufaka ilocation ethi Mzo Lifestyle iyokuthatha ikubeke la esiyoqala khona uGood Friday sisithelo sika Jehova. I would love to be with you because you cannot just come across this video. I know it is an important holiday for you whereby you will be going to your church, you will be going home. But izinye izinto zifika ngalesikhathi ungalindele. Kuthiwa uJesu ufike ekuseni sebethi baqedile ngawo. Ngicela wenze sure ukuthi uyaphumelela enkonzweni yesithelo sika Jehova ngoGood Friday. Kukhona into okumele sikusize ngayo udlule kuyona. For directions 071 130 7808. I'm always praying for you on TikTok. I'm always praying for you on Facebook. I'm always praying for you on YouTube. This is your time to come and receive. Abantu abadala bathi angilwenze usuku lwakho. Izinto eziningi zakho zibanjwe mawuza ungiphathele umNazaretha or mawunganawo umNazaretha omhlophe, irokwe nje limhlophe noma impahla ezimhlophe, phathe neimpahla zokushintsha. Ngiyacela be part of uGood Friday. Sizobe sikhuleka kakhulu. The prophecy will be on a higher level. Yobe kungakhethwa abalala muntu. Invite your friends to join us. This is not an easy year. We are facing difficulties in our country. We will be also praying for that. I wish you can be part of the prayer. Ngiyacela, do some arrangements. If ever udinga indawo yokulala, you can book your space. Spaces are still available even now. 066 00 266 33. Asihlangane eVerulam eThekwini eMahlabathini. The location is Mzo Lifestyle. Inkonzo iyaqala ngoLwesihlanu ngo5 ntambama size siyophuma Sunday. Make sure you have the clothes to change because kune session la ukuzobe kuyiwa khona echibini lamandla. Ngiyabonga useza nomndeni wakho. Ungamshiyi umuntu ogulayo. Lo kuthiwa kade wagula ungamshiyi, please. It's a miracle. Good Friday. Nalo othi imali zami aziphumi zavaleka. Come, nalo ohlala ephupha uKhehlelezi. Amakhehla lelo la ngawo benembathile. Ngiyabonga.